Hey, good afternoon. I'm also joined here by Tim Nestor, who is the Senior Director responsible for all of our vapor development. And it's really cool to be here to highlight this amazing digital vapor cigarette that we're going to talk to you about today, especially this week. I mean, we are rolling this product out across 20,000 outlets. So this is a first leap forward in transforming our industry. First and foremost, I would like to show you just a really quick video to highlight our company and our product. So I'm going to step aside here and let you see all it.
At Vuse, it's simple. We have one key objective: to create a meaningful vapor business with significant profit potential that will achieve total category leadership in vapor by 2014. The commercialization of Vuse started with 4 key strategies: to deliver a superior product and portfolio, to develop a high-scale US-centric supply chain, to build a leading brand that becomes the vapor authority, and to develop a marketing model that achieves mass broad reach amongst the 40 million adult smokers across the country. Some believe it's about being first to market. We believe it's about being best to market. It's about launching a product that is a game changer, a product with the ability to truly transform and reinvent a category, starting first with redesigning the e-cigarette to truly exceed adult tobacco users' expectations. Vuse was designed and engineered from the ground up to deliver a truly satisfying vapor experience. We have developed an e-cigarette that delivers the familiar ritual, weight, taste, and satisfaction combined with the consistency smokers get from the traditional cigarettes. Vuse has incorporated leading technology to ensure the perfect puff, first time, every time. Vuse was designed to be as familiar as necessary, but as different as possible. Vuse was designed to be different because it is different, from every angle, in function, and in use.
Just some interesting information. You know, the e-cigarette industry right now is estimated to be almost grossing $2 billion in revenue. And interestingly enough, it's really being done through mostly trials. You know, adult smokers are wanting to try these innovative products. They're trying it out. But because the technology is faulty, doesn't work very well, they ultimately end up going back to their traditional cigarette. And obviously, that's not really a good way to transform an industry. So we took a look at the technology that was available out there, and we decided that it just really wasn't what we wanted to leverage our product against. So we designed Vuse from the ground up. You know, we hired some of the best American engineering companies, software developers, experts in microelectronics, and we developed a product that we knew once an adult smoker would get into their hands, they would never return back to their traditional product. So when you look at this beautiful stainless steel tube, you know, packed in here is a microprocessor. We call it our vapor delivery processor, a crypto chip, and all of that technology is really there to just enhance the consumer experience with Vuse, and Tim will tell you all about it. And really, the other thing that I want to mention is that's kind of half the battle. You know, the other thing we had to worry about is where do you manufacture such a product? A lot of our competitors have chosen to go overseas. And unfortunately, when you put something together as sophisticated as this by hand, you really don't do it very well. So guess what? We decided to develop good old American ingenuity here. We developed machinery, automation, robotics, a whole supply chain right here in the United States where we designed and we assembled this product. That is a good thing for the product, but I think that is also a great thing for us. So I'm going to turn it over to Tim, who's going to explain to you how all this great technology makes Vuse so superior. Thank you.
Have we got it now? Yes. All right. As Fred said, why would you put technology in a tobacco product? Well, the reason is we looked at what was out there. We realized there were a lot of shortcomings associated with the technology, and we knew in order to really truly make it a satisfying an experience for the adult tobacco consumer, we were going to have to leverage technology. And with technology, we were able to do a number of things. Beyond the basic principles of what you typically find around charging and use status information on the battery life, because of our smart memory chip in combination with our microprocessor, our vapor delivery processor, we're also able to provide status on the cartridge. That's unlike any other product out on the market today. And in doing so, it provides the consumer the information they need to know exactly where they are in their smoking experience. In addition to that, because of our smart technology, we're able to really truly deliver on our mantra, which is the perfect puff, the first time, every time. Unlike products that typically start okay, but diminish over time, with Vuse and the smart technology that we can leverage, we can make sure that what is delivered is consistent so that the smoker isn't guessing. They know what to expect out of the product. And they do so by simple things as with these two pieces of communicating with one another 2,000 times a second during a puff in order to monitor the power and the heat and deliver that perfect aerosol. The other part about technology is when you think about tobacco product development was primarily focused on art and science. Now we've brought a third element into play with technology. On the art and science side, the other side is the V-liquid that's contained in the cartridge. It was developed in-house by tobacco experts with over 100 years of understanding what those consumer desires were. And combining that art and science with this technology and Vuse makes it the perfect product for the perfect puff. The other aspect that Fred touched on was we are very proud to say designed and assembled in the U.S. We have very high quality standards as well as the highest quality materials and purest ingredients. With that, we know that we have undertaken a product integrity and stewardship review that is exceeded by none. I'll conclude by saying this is an emerging category. Innovation and technology will drive its success. I think Vuse does a fantastic job of meeting those consumer needs based on our expertise of understanding the tobacco consumer and applying those in an electronic cigarette like Vuse. RGR Vapor will drive innovation, we will achieve market leadership, and we will dominate the category. Thank you very much. Please come by the Vuse booth, 46, and we'll answer any questions you have there.